going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Obviously, for those of you that's been here before, and if it's your first time, welcome. Thank you for coming on. For those of you that don't know me, I'm 6'5" rider, or 6'5" for short, and I make motorcycle related content. It basically consists of moto vlogs, scenic rides, reviews, both product and motorcycle reviews. So a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's pretty fun. I'm actually based in South Florida, Palm Beach County to be exact. And I took this up as a hobby because I love motorcycles. I watch YouTube all the freaking time. And I thought, well, why not do it myself? Like I said, if it's your first time, welcome. I am so glad to have you on the channel, and I hope you enjoy what you're watching. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for always supporting and backing me up. Honestly, I think this video has been long awaited. Wait, before I even say that, I actually did some micro adjustments on micro adjustments. My jiu-jitsu guys will get that. Did some micro adjustments on the microphone, so I really hope that you guys can hear me. I kind of changed where it's located inside my helmet, because from what I saw from my last video, especially being on the highway and whatnot, we had wind noise issues. And so I thought to myself, let me go ahead and change it up and see if this is any better. Anyway, like I was saying, this has been a long-awaited video. I've owed this video to you guys for a long time. I've had this Kuryakyn soundbar, or speakers right here, that's where I'm pointing, right there, for about 7, 8, 9 months now, something like that. And it's funny because my install video for the soundbar was actually my highest viewed video and highest rated video. So today's video, I actually want to go ahead and do a review on it, because I'm pretty sure a lot of those guys that installed it or have watched the install video are curious to know how it performs. Now obviously this won't be 100% accurate test, because this is like my perception of it, and then you have other factors like the wind, the mic inside my helmet and whatnot. And basically it'll be as if like you're inside the helmet trying to hear what the speaker is producing. So basically this is a soundbar made by Kuryakyn. It's called the MTX Road Thunder, I believe. I'll throw the name up here on the screen. It's got 4 speakers inside of it, and it produces, this was actually surprising to me as well, it actually produces about 300 watts, which is not bad at all for something this small. It measures just about 11 inches from from here all the way to there, and it's kind of like a cylinder shape. And I would say it's about 2 inches from top to bottom. So it's not that big, it's very small. I mean, a lot of people try to compare it to the Plex audio system, in the fact that it's the more budget-friendly option, obviously, because this is much cheaper than that maybe $800 system. I know the Plex audio produces 400 watts, this one's 300, so it's only a 100 watt difference, which is not that bad, to be honest. Alright, we'll get on this road right here to the left, and then we'll go ahead and take a quick listen. Now mind you, we're gonna listen to some like non-copyright music off of YouTube, so it's probably not the best quality, but let's take a look here. So this right here at 30 miles an hour. We're gonna go up to 45. Actually 55. We'll also see what it sounds like when you're stopped at a traffic light. Also be jumping on the highway, but again, like I was saying, the quality when it comes to like listening to music on YouTube versus like an Apple Music or a Spotify or whatever, it's completely different. The audio quality usually is worse when listening from YouTube, you know, and so you got to take that into consideration as well. Let's get on the turnpike. We're gonna jam it up one more time, get up to like 70, 75, and then we'll exit and go from there. We're actually at 90 right now. Tell nobody, but we're at about 100 right now. Anyway, I mean, like, you can subtly hear it. If you know the words to the song, you'll still be jamming and singing along with it. So we're at a constant speed of like about 70 right now. We'll also open up my visor to see what that sounds like as well. So this one's more of a chill song. I'm not sure how good you guys can hear it. I mean, we're going about 76. We got a lot of crosswinds coming from both, well, from that side. You know, it's nothing but freaking Everglades out on that side. So got a lot of crosswinds coming in. So it's really windy, but right now, like, we're going down to 70, 67, 65. I mean, you can hear it, I think. We're about to exit Atlantic Avenue, Delray Beach. Oh man, if that cop wasn't there, I'd be splitting right about now, but hey.
30 straight up.
See, when you're going like slow and whatever, it sounds pretty good. And if I open my visor, you'll see it's actually pretty loud. So yeah, that's pretty much what it sounds like on highway speeds. One thing I think that helps out on my end and, you know, on my setup is the fact that I have it behind the fairing here. I bet you if I didn't have the fairing on, it would sound terrible. Yeah, I probably couldn't even hear it if I didn't have the fairing going that speed. But that's why I have it like tucked right there. And what's cool about it is it's very versatile, so you can really like put it anywhere you want. And the other cool thing about it is, compared to the Plex Audio, for instance, if I take off the fairing and decide to ride without the fairing, it doesn't look too bad. It kind of, you know, blends in with the bar right over here, so you don't really notice it with without a fairing. I'll post a picture up here to show you guys what that looks like. And with the fairing, you know, like looking from the front of the bike, you don't even notice that it's there. Plus, with the Plex Audio, you'd lose all that space in there. Not that like you need it, but like in a pinch, you can put a bunch of shit in there. I'll put water bottles in there before. Or like a hat or like a sweater or something. But with the Plex Audio, you kind of lose that space. So that's why I like it. So I was actually checking the price on it today. It looks like they even discounted it more than when I bought it. When I bought it, it was like $428 or something like that on Amazon. I actually took a look at the price this morning, and I'll also post a screenshot of that right here. I believe it was like $309 or $300 or something like that. I think that's truly worth the money. So yeah, man, I like it a lot. So we'll take a stop in a bit here in some vacant lot or whatever, and then we'll do a walk around and blast the music. All right, so we'll do a couple of sound clips. I'm gonna open up the visor so just so you guys can hear how a normal person at a traffic light or something like that is gonna hear it. And we'll do one with the bike running and one with the bike turned off, basically. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and do this. See, this is what it sounds like from here. Right, see how far I am from the bike? It's from the side of the exhaust. Yeah, I can hear it plenty, to be honest. And then we'll go from the front. You can still hear it. I mean, I can still hear it even walking back all the way. All right, we'll go ahead and pause it. Hit the kill switch. Start the battery. See, the thing is, when you hit the kill switch, the Bluetooth disconnects. Oh, actually, it came right back. Yeah, that's how loud it sounds when the bike turned off. I mean, dude, it's pretty decent. Pretty decent, I think. What a lot of people were, before I bought this, what a lot of people, or like reviews were saying, was that you can download a volume booster mobile app on your phone and then use that with it, and that should work just fine. This is what it looks like I was saying. You got volume buttons here. I never touch these because everything I do is through my phone. Like I said, you got 4 speakers in there, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And I don't know if you can see it here, but here's a USB port. So there's a third way to do this, through USB. So there's a USB port, there's your auxiliary, and there's a mic in for some reason. Not sure what that does. If anybody knows what that's for, please leave a comment, because I am now curious as to what that does. If you guys haven't watched my video for the install, click on that link or whatever. I'll link it in the description down below as well. But basically, how I have it, here's the cable for it. It kind of goes underneath the tank, connects into the battery, taps into the taillight wire, so that way once the bike is turned off, the speaker is turned off as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. Let me know your thoughts if you have that sound bar, what you think of it. My thoughts are, I actually like it a lot, because 1, doesn't cost that much money, 2, the aesthetics
And the quality for sure. I mean, it's waterproof, it's easy to handle, and it sounds really good. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.